Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Adobe Lightroom, Luminar Neo, and Capture One. If you're into photography or even just editing your smartphone shots, you've probably heard of Adobe Lightroom, Luminar Neo, and Capture One. But here's the real question. Which one is actually worth your time, your money, and workflow? Let's break down everything you need to know: the features, the usability, the pricing, the strengths, the weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your editing style. Let's start with Adobe Lightroom, cloud and classic ecosystem. Lightroom is basically the industry standard for photographers. It's part of Adobe's ecosystem and is built around two major ideas: powerful raw photo editing and seamless photo organization across devices. What makes Lightroom stand out is its workflow system. You can import thousands of images, organize them using albums, flags, ratings, and keywords, and sync everything across desktop, mobile, and even web. This is why it's heavily used by event photographers, wedding shooters, and content creators who deal with large volumes of images. Next is Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing heavily on organization and workflow, it focuses on speed and AI creativity. This is the software for people who want fast results, minimal manual editing, and creative effects with one click. Its biggest strength is AI tools like sky replacement, portrait enhancement, AI relighting, background removal, and generative tools like expanding or removing objects. Now let us talk about Capture One, professional studio powerhouse. Capture One is the most pro-level tool in this comparison. It's widely used in fashion photography, studio shoots, and commercial work, especially where color accuracy is critical. Its biggest strengths are industry-leading color grading, extremely powerful raw processing, advanced layer-based editing, and tethered shooting, direct camera to PC shooting in studios. Unlike Lightroom, Capture One gives you much more granular control over every adjustment. Many professionals prefer it because it produces more natural and precise color transitions. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. In terms of AI features, Lightroom has strong AI masking with generative tools. Luminar Neo is most AI heavy and automated. And Capture One has limited AI but more precision focused. In terms of editing control, Lightroom has balanced control with presets. Luminar Neo is simplified and has one-click editing. Capture One has deep professional grade control. In terms of organization, Lightroom is best-in-class catalog system. Luminar Neo has basic folder-based system. And Capture One is session-based professional workflow. Now in terms of speed and workflow, Adobe Lightroom is smooth and scalable. Luminar Neo is fast for small edits, but slower for larger batches. And Capture One is very efficient for studio workflows. So we've compared them based on the AI features, editing control, organization, and speed with workflow. Now what is the pricing like? Adobe Lightroom is usually bundled with the Photoshop plans, or usually around $9.99 per month. Luminar Neo is also a subscription model based, although there's a lifetime license option. So currently you get extra 10% off with a discount code. It's currently on the website if you're able to grab that offer. So perpetual desktop license costs $79 one-time payment. Cross-device perpetual license costs $109, where perpetual max license costs $129. These are all one-time payments. And Capture One, there's a pro plan at $17 per month when paid annually. There's an all-in-one plan at $23.25 per month when paid annually, and a studio plan at $45.75 per month when paid annually. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Adobe Lightroom, best photo organization system, excellent raw editing, strong AI tools, and works across devices. The pros of Luminar Neo, extremely beginner-friendly, powerful AI editing tools with fast creative results. And the pros of Capture One, best color grading in the industry, extremely detailed editing tools, and it's perfect for studio and commercial work. Now what are the cons? With Adobe Lightroom, it's a subscription-based model. It can feel complex for beginners, and you need to be committed to the Adobe ecosystem before you can really enjoy it. And the cons of Luminar Neo, It has weak catalog management and is not ideal for large professional workflows. How about the cons of Capture One? It has a steep learning curve. It's not beginner focused, it's advanced, and it's expensive. So which one actually comes out on top? Well, the truth is there's no single winner. It depends entirely on your workflow. So if you want an all-in-one ecosystem that handles editing, organization, and mobile syncing, Lightroom is the most balanced choice. If you want a fast AI-powered editing with minimal effort, then Luminar Neo is the most fun and beginner-friendly option. But if you are a professional photographer who needs maximum control, especially in studio environments, then Capture One is the most powerful overall. And that's it on the comparison of Lightroom, Luminar Neo, and Capture One. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore DxO Photo Lab, ON1 Photo Raw, and Affinity Photo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.